Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last Saturday I went to a party and halfway through the evening there was a rather awkward moment when one of the guests turned up with a friend of hers. She'd asked if it was okay to bring a friend and the host had said yes. What the host didn't know was that the friend she was bringing along was actually an ex-boyfriend of hers that she'd had a rather bad breakup with. So there was this awkward moment. And the host took this guest to one side and explained the situation. The guest was appalled by this and she apologised profusely for bringing the guy along to the party. The host accepted the apology by saying, "Hey, listen, don't worry, it's okay, you weren't to know." If you say you weren't to know, it basically means what you did or what you said is okay. I accept it, okay? It wasn't your fault. There's no way you could have known that you were crossing some kind of line here. Don't worry about it. Let's forget about it and move on. We sometimes use it when we're telling someone after the event that maybe they've put their foot in it a little bit. So perhaps a friend of yours is busy talking all about their great trip to visit their parents over the weekend, and another friend suddenly gets upset, starts crying, and sort of storms off or leaves. You then might have to take this person to one side and say, "Listen, you weren't to know, but the reason she just got upset was because her dad died 3 days ago." I had no idea. I honestly didn't know. Obviously, otherwise I wouldn't have gone on about my own parents. We also sometimes use it when we're explaining or maybe apologising for the way we've acted at certain points in the past. So maybe you're telling a story and you say something like, "Obviously, this guy wasn't to know that I was at the end of my tether." And his remark, although now I realise it was probably well-intentioned, was basically the final straw and it pushed me over the edge. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use "you weren't to know," "he wasn't to know," "she wasn't to know," "they weren't to know," and so on.